What is up, guys? It is Miss Evans here, and I have a strategy to show you for big multiplication. Maybe your teacher will ask you to solve something like this. Now, when you first start multiplication, it is very difficult to solve gigantic numbers. So to do that, a strategy is to become the breaker! Breaker! Now, when you become the breaker, you gotta think about breaking it up. So, let's take one of these numbers. Which one should we break? I'm gonna take the 9 and break it because I want it to become something less. So I'm gonna take the 9 and I'm gonna think of two numbers that add up to 9. So let me think. I really like to use my 5s. 5s is a wonderful strategy because 5s are easy to multiply later, okay? So I'm gonna take my 9 and I'm gonna bust it up into a 4 and a 5. Check it out.
All right, guys, so I've got 9 times 8, but I know that I can break down the 9 into 4 plus 5 because 4 plus 5 equals 9. Now, I still need to take my times 8 down, so I'm going to write that in both areas to do an equation. I'm going to take the times 8 here as well, and now I've got to figure out how to solve these. Now, I can do this by doing my 8 facts out to the side. So I'm going to write these down, and I know that my fourth 8 fact is 32. Next, I'm counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So 5 times 8 is 40. Now, I just need to add these two things together to get it. All I need to do, 32 plus 40 is 72. So my answer is 72. 9 times 8 is 72.
What's up, America? It's me, the Breaker. I'm here to give you strategies on how to solve hard multiplication problems. Check it out. All right, America. I've got a 6. That's a big number. I don't know how to multiply it. What am I going to do? Breaker! Now it's no longer a 6, but a 2 and a 4 because 2 plus 4 equals 6. That's right. We broke it. What? Did you not like that 4 plus 2 equals 6? Well, guess what you could do? Break it a different way. You could break it 5 plus 1 because 1 plus 5 equals 6. What? You broke it.
What do when you have a gigantic number like 9? You better break it!
Break it! Break it! Break it! Break it up! No longer do we have a 9, but I've got a 5 plus 4 because 5 plus 4 equals 9. That's right, we broke it. Do it.
What's up? The Breaker's in the kitchen now. I want to tell you a delicious recipe for breaking up multiplication numbers. Take here the 7. 7. I love to break this up, but one of the things the Breaker, love to break it into is the 5s. Anytime I can break something into the 5s because I know this one, super easy to count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, on and up and up and up. 5s, anytime you can, break this into this. And then also you would need a 2 as well because 2 plus 5 equals what? 7. Break it. You got an 11? What do?
Do you have a big number? Well, you should break it. Break it. So I just broke up the 8 into a 5 and a 3. As you can see, that would be much easier to multiply rather than doing an 8. I could multiply the 5 and the 3 and then just add those two products together. This makes the strategy so much easier when trying to find out a huge number.
What's up? The Breakers in session with her dog. This is Preacher. And Preacher wants to learn about breaking some numbers. So Preacher, which one will we break? He wants to break the 6. He wants to break the 6. Good boy, Preacher. There you go. Good, so let's break the 6. So let's think about what can 6 be broken into. So remember the strategy with the 5, guys. You want to use the 5 as much as possible because it's easy. So I'm going to break the 6 into a 1 and a 5, right? So now I'm going to drag my 4s down. So times 4 and times 4. Now, how much easier is that going to be to solve? 1 times 4 is what? 1 set of 4 is what? 4. And then 5 times 4 is 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 plus 20 is, let me hear you, 24. What do you think, preacher? Is that good? Is that good? He's a good boy. Good at dog school. So you broke it. Go, preacher. Got a 12? You should. I want to tell you to stay in school. Whoop.